Now let's continue with our web page. So, sa baba ng opening body tag, let's add a header tag. Then, sa baba nito, let's add a section tag. So, header tag is used to define a header for our HTML document. And then, ang section tag naman defines a section in the document. Sa loob ng section tag, we will have an A for an anchor tag. Then, sa loob ng anchor tag, opening anchor tag, we have href. Href is an attribute which indicates the link's destination. So, ito yung gagamitin natin for linking to an image or gagawa tayo ng link sa mga menu or link to another website. So, for this one, ang link natin is index.html which is itong file na to mismo. So, kung yung website visitors natin ay nag-click sa link na to, magre-reload lang yung web page natin. Sa description box, may makikita kayong link. So, you click that link and download the images provided there. Yun yung mga images na kailangan natin para magawa natin tong web page na to. So, credits to freepik.com. Doon galing yung mga images na gagamitin natin. Once you downloaded, gumawa kayo ng folder na img sa loob ng IT Toolbox folder nyo sa desktop. And then, i-copy nyo yung pictures na na-download nyo dun sa folder na yan. So, once you refresh your brackets, may makikita na kayong img folder. Again, sa loob dapat ng img folder, andun lahat ng mga images na gagamitin natin. So, after this anchor tag, let's add an image tag or img wherein ang attribute is src or source is equal to img slash ittoolbox underscore logo .png. So, itong si img, ito yung folder name natin in slash tapos yung name ng image. So, itong source will be the link path or the directory ng image na gusto natin ilagay sa webpage natin. So, when we save and refresh, now we can see the image in our webpage. Again, don't forget to download the images in the link provided in the description box. Tapos, gumawa kayo ng img folder inside your IT Toolbox folder in your desktop and then paste the images there. Sa baba ng img tag or image tag, let's add an h1 tag. H1 or heading 1. Ito yung tag na ginagamit to create heading sa HTML document. So, let's type IT Toolbox. So, sa heading ng mga tags, so mayroong H1, H2, H3, 4, 5, and 6. So, the smaller the number, the bigger the text. The bigger the number, the smaller the text. Which means, si H1 ang pinakamalaking text, si H6 ang pinakamaliit na text. Later on, sa ibang part ng webpage natin, gagamit pa tayo ng iba pang heading tags. So, let's save and preview. Now, we could see our heading na IT Toolbox. So, as you can see here, so sinabi ko kanina na may heading 2, heading 1 hanggang 6. So, tingnan nyo, when I change the opening heading tag into H2, brackets will create an error on the closing tag kasi hindi nag-match yung opening at closing. So, dapat kung ginawa nyong H2 yung opening tag, kailangan H2 din yung closing tag. Let's try the H6, save and refresh. Mas maliit pa. So yan yung sabi ko na the bigger the number, the smaller the text. The smaller the number, the bigger the text. So that applies in all the heading tags. So balik natin siya sa H1 tag. Sunod, after the closing section tag, let's add a nav tag. This is for the navigation. Inside the nav tag, magdagdag tayo ng UL tag or unordered list tag. Ito yung mga kung gusto nating mag-list ng mga may bullets. Meron ding ordered list, which is kung gusto nating maglagay ng may mga numbers or letters. So again, make sure na naka-indent properly yung mga tags. Inside the UL tag, we will add a list tag and an anchor tag inside it. So again, dapat naka-properly indent ang mga tags natin. So sa loob ng anchor tag, we will have an attribute of href with a link with the value of hash and then a text of tutorials. So ito yung magiging part ng menu natin. So when we save and refresh, ngayon, may isa na tayong anchor tag na naka-bullet. So let's copy these codes here, then paste it 3 times. Kasi magkakaroon tayo ng 4 na link sa menu natin. So just change the text into about, contact us, and subscribe. So ngayon, may 4 na tayong menu. So again, for this anchor tags, for this href attribute, papalitan lang natin yan later. So as you can see, anong common sa kanila? Lahat ng text sa loob ng anchor tag ay may underline. At ganito yung kulay. So we will change that sa CSS natin. Kasi again, CSS is for styling, HTML is for the structure only. So, para matanggal yung underline or decoration ng anchor tags, gagawa tayo ng CSS file. So, pwedeng ang CSS ay nasa loob ng HTML document, pero ang advisable is nakaseparate siya. So, on this side here, sa brackets natin, you right-click and choose New Folder. And then name the folder into CSS. Tapos, i-click nyo yung CSS folder and right-click, then choose New File. Name the text into style.css. So again, itong file na to, dito natin lalagay lahat ng CSS na kailangan natin to create styling sa webpage natin. So, let's type first A, which is the anchor tag, then opening and closing curly brace. In between the braces, you type text-decoration, none. So, meaning, matatanggal yung mga underline ng mga anchors na to. So, this code here, from line to 3, is what you call a CSS rule. Yung A is yung selector, yung text decoration is the property, and none is the value. So, pag gumawa kayo ng CSS, ito yung magiging itsura lang niya. May selector, may property, at may value. So, para mag-take effect tong CSS styling natin dito sa HTML document, we have to link our HTML to the CSS file. So below this title tag, you add link tag, tapos space rel equal to style sheet, and then href is equal to css/style sheet. So CSS again is the folder name and style.css is the file name. So you need this line of code para malink yung CSS file nyo into your HTML document. So as you can see, when we save and refresh, wala nang underlines yung mga text natin. Kasi we have the property called text decoration. Ngayon naman, let's work on the bullets. So these bullets apply to the list tags. So since yung list yung ita-target natin, we will create a list, an li CSS rule. So li curly brace and then the property of list dash style and a value of none. So when we save and refresh, ngayon wala nang bullets sa list natin. As you can see, kung di-delete ko, babalik yung bullets. So we need this property para matanggal yung bullets sa lahat ng list natin. So again, kung mag-a-apply kayo ng style on a specific tag, ilagay nyo lang yung tag name and then open and close curly brace, then the property. So these two are our CSS rules na nakalink. Now we have the structure and simple styling for our navigation.